much in this encounter. Seen really too much in the way of opportunity so far. Obviously Karuru goes up, and so does the keeper Kazapua, because that was going to sneak under the crossbar if Kazapua had made any sort of mistake, which he wasn't likely to do and didn't. Now Kampindu, interestingly enough, has gone from the inside right channel to the inside left channel. They're not able to pick him up there. At the moment anyway, from Willie Stefanos. Willie Stefanos again, it's a great little ball in. Kampindu, his players arriving there, it's got to be tucked in surely. Was that an own goal? Whichever, it is a goal, and sleepiness in defence from Zimbabwe. Kampindu will claim it, and Namibia lead by a goal to nil.
Brilliant moment.
Rupi with a chance of a second goal here, no offside flag. As easy as you like, the Zimbabweans can hardly believe that they've been caught in that way. Celebrations for Kazapua. More importantly though, Elmo Kampindu scored his second goal in the tournament.
Oh, you know, first half time we were the same. The game can go on each side. Second half time we dominated 20-25 minutes. We didn't score the goal. Individual mistake on the back. Own goal, 1-0. Last 10 minutes we tried to push some players on the front, including center defender for some hairball. Some young boys came in. They didn't adapt quickly, and second goal was a bit too naive. But it's a good experience for our young players, and then that's the reason why we are here. We saw which material we have for the national team, and also we saw which material is not for the national team. In the meantime, also fatigue killed us. You know, last 15-20 minutes really we were down without so much options for substitutions. But anyway, it's a good lesson, and keep working, keep looking forward. Defense. We talk about defense, you know, we didn't receive nothing until we started, we scored own goal, am I right? And then after that we tried to push a bit forward, things didn't go, and that's all. Sometimes my idea are working, sometimes ideas are not working, but we tried our best. Second goal was a bit naive, but that's lack of our experience on the back. But the point is, we are really out of place. Most of our players are injured, and then that we have to put some players on the position. Usually they don't play, but anyway, it's a good experience for the players, and then also a good situation, good chance for me to see material for the national team or who is not material for the national team.